I was a first-time parent, never really used car seats before, and I consistently looked at my daughters and said, oh my God, I don't know what I'm doing here. I decided to take it upon myself to take the course and become a certified child passenger safety technician. In Delaware, 4 out of 5 car seats are being misused. We are trying to reduce that number by offering these free car seat fitting stations. If you've never worked with a car seat before, it's just truly a whole new world for you. They come with these manuals that are about 100 to 200 pages long. It's very confusing if you've never done it before. A typical session here with me involves parents and caregivers. They come in, they pull their vehicle straight into the building. We make sure that their car seats are properly installed in their vehicle. I also like to make sure that the parents feel comfortable with properly harnessing their children into the car seat itself. Whether you have a fresh newborn or if you've got a kid that's transitioning into a booster seat, I make sure that you're comfortable with all stages of all car seats. When clients come in to visit me, they never expect that their appointment is going to be so involved. I find that they are incredibly thankful that this service from the Office of Highway Safety exists. I love doing what I do because I love making sure that they feel comfortable keeping their kids safe in the car.